Okay, so obviously this is not ideal, but because I had to use the wires from the ballast, these weren't long enough to pair. So I just took just a piece of this braided wire and connected them like this, and then this isn't really, again, you wouldn't, almost none of what I'm doing here you would do in a resource-rich situation, but if you don't have anything, you could just do this, and then this should come right off. You could have some bare wire. There we go. Okay, so I can just connect my I'll be able to tear this off and then connect my neutral cable to here so that it connects in parallel, and then I connect my hot cable here.